Want to fade dark spots without spending a fortune? Let me show you how to make a waterless vitamin C serum that's cheaper, stable, and very effective. This formula only uses 2 ingredients, L-ascorbic acid, the gold form of vitamin C for brightening, and propylene glycol, which acts as our solvent, making the formula way more stable. Add the L-ascorbic acid powder to the propylene glycol in small increments and mix to combine. Repeat this step until all of the L-ascorbic acid is combined with the propylene glycol. Once the mixture looks like this, you can pour it off into a UV bottle. I do suggest you use one with a dropper or a pump, as we don't want to contaminate it with any water. On the day you make it, it will have sediment at the bottom. That's perfectly fine because in about 24 to 48 hours, the L-ascorbic acid will completely dissolve into the propylene glycol. This is a vitamin C serum I made about 4 months ago. Once your serum is crystal clear and there's no trace of L-ascorbic acid left, you can use it. By the way, this serum is very cost effective. It's only about $2 to $3 per 50 grams of product. You can apply it to damp skin, or you can add it into your favorite moisturizer. If you learned something new, like this video and subscribe to my channel for more DIY fun. And I'll see you in the next one.